Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to give the Waze app access to your contacts on your Android phone. This setting is helpful if you want to share your location, send routes, or connect with friends directly through the app. Let's get started. First, find the Waze app icon on your phone's home screen. Next, press and hold the Waze icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on the option labeled App Info. After that, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Once you're inside the permissions screen, after that, tap on Contacts. You'll see a few choices, like Allow, Deny. Simply select Allow to give Waze access to your contact list. Finally, close the settings and reopen the Waze app to make sure everything is working. You should now be able to share routes and find friends more easily through the app. That's it for this quick guide. Now you know how to give the Waze app permission to access your contacts on Android. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.